Hey everybody, it's Nate. Welcome to my channel. 皆さんこんにちは、ネイトです。今日はこの間僕の誕生日に、プレゼントとしてもらったちょっと特別なものについて説明したいと思います。Today's video is going to be about a very special birthday gift that I received, which is pretty unusual here in Japan, and I wanted to be able to share it with everybody. It is a set of Japanese artisan craft handmade candles. 日本古来の和ろうそくっていう大変珍しいものです。素敵な木の箱に入っています。You can see here it comes in this beautiful box. I think it's maybe balsa wood, I'm not sure. But it's beautifully wrapped. And the name of this particular product is HAZE. And I think HAZE is supposed to be based on the ingredient that the candle is made. It comes from a plant called HAZE, but it's written as HAZE. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So let's open it up and see what we got. I love it. It says everything is written both in Japanese and in English. It says the ingredients here. You can see wax, fruit of the Japanese wax tree, wick, Japanese paper, igusa grass, and cotton. これすごいですね。ラベルも、全部日本語と英語両方。ろう、ハゼの木の実、桃心、和紙、いぐさ、木綿、すべて植物由来。All organic ingredients. Ta-da! This packaging, look at this, it's beautiful. It's got an explanation here. Japanese traditional candles, warosuku. Warosuku candles are handcrafted in Kawagawa City in Saitama. Warosuku are made using the ancient Japanese technique of tegake seiho, where wax is applied in sequential layers. Wow, seems pretty labor intensive. HAZE candles are made with its namesake fruit, HAZE, the fruit of the Japanese wax tree. This creates a powerful flame that produces very little soot. Following the traditional Japanese style, the production of the wick, wax, and final candle is split into 3 parts. Here at HAZE, we enjoy honoring past traditions while also looking towards a bright future. So you can tell these are extremely well crafted, and a lot of time and energy and effort goes into making these, which is one of the things I absolutely love about the Japanese culture is the painstaking attention to detail and effort that all the artisans take in producing or crafting whatever product that they make. And it's just absolutely, I mean, the energy, I mean, just by holding this in your hand, you can tell, you can feel the amount of energy and love that went into crafting it. So that's just something I really like about products and stuff here. 埼玉県川越市を拠点に日本古来の技法、手掛け製法で和ろうそくの創作を行う。木の実が原料を、ハゼロ 100% で作るヘイズの和ろうそくは力強い灯火ですすが少ない。分業で成り立つ和ろうそくを、尊重し、現代の和ろうそくと新たな価値の創造を行う。やはりその職人さんの心を込めたエネルギーがもう半端なくこう入ってるんですね。もうすごくいい商品です。手作りのもう何度もね手で回したりとかそのろうをつけてちょうどそのいい加減になるように一本一本やるのが本当にすごい技術が必要だなと思います。台も、ついてますね。すごい。It says here, it includes a candle stand as well, and it gives you instructions about how to take care of the candle, including trimming the wick. It says here, wick trimming. We recommend you light the candle as you trim the long burnt wick with a wick trimmer. There is also a little smoke which is picked and put out. If there is no wick trimmer, please use tweezers instead. So it gives you instructions on how to get the best performance of your candle, how to make it last the longest and have the nicest flame. And yeah, I mean, everything has got instructions both in English and Japanese, which is like super cool. で、そのろうそくの芯の手入れっていうか、その長持ちさせるためのコツとか説明書的な文章も書いてありますので、とても親切です。 で、一応この会社が販売しているピンセットを専用の火消しするピンセットがあるらしいんですけど、ちょっと今回それは購入せず家にあったものを代替品として使わせていただきます。And they, like I said, they sell special tweezers that you use for putting out the fire, but we just are going to use some tweezers we had at home instead. Okay, so let's dig in. これがろうそくです。色が2つあります。Two different colors of candles. 素敵な渋い感じですね。台もあります。ついております。And this is the stand. Let's open it up. 台もすごいしっかりしてて、なんか It looks like it's clay maybe? Stone? I'm not sure. I think it's clay. 焼き物的な感じ。はい。よし。あとはろうそく以外に別のパロサントっていう皆さんご存知の方いるかと思いますけれども、パロサントっていう南米、確かアマゾンらへんに熱帯雨林に入っている、よく原住民そのアマゾンのインディアンたちが使っている、聖なる植物です。And I think, yes, includes a pack of Palo Santo as well. Palo Santo, as many of you know, it's a sacred wood that grows, I think, in South America, and the native people there use it in purification ceremonies. And it also includes a nice little stand for burning the Palo Santo. このパロサントはね、生きているような感じで、フランキンセンスとミントのような香りが。And this Palo Santo has like a hint of frankincense and almost mint maybe? I'm not sure. And it's got an oil, like an oily fragrance as well, which is really interesting. 特別な台もついています。この台をお見せします。同じ、これと同じ多分焼き物か何かできて、でここに、このパロサント今出しますけど、パロサント丁寧に包んでありますね。It's wrapped so beautifully here. でこれおそらくこのまま、最初から穴が開いてる。This stand is meant to hold the Palo Santo, and so immediately when you think, okay, I'm going to put this on top of the stand, you think, okay, well, I have to poke it in there or jam it in there, to get it to stay. But this comes with a pre-drilled hole, so you can just stick it right on top here, right like that. こっちの白い方が塩が練り込んであるというか、入ってるらしいですね。で、こっちは麻の炭で多分この色が、ついてるかと思います。And the candles, the white ones apparently have salt mixed in with the wax, and the gray ones here have, let's see, ash that's made from hemp, so hemp ash mixed in with the candle. This is fabulous. So I think to start off with, we can do a nice black one. And for something like this, you can't use a lighter. You have to go with the traditional matches. I think that's part of the specialness of it. でこういう時はさすがに、チャッカマンとかね、ライターを使わないで、あえて、マッチを使ってちょっとね、こういう昔ながらのやり方で火をつけておきたいと思います。Beautiful. Well, one of the characteristics about these Japanese candles is that the wick is, I think, thicker than most Western candles use, and that makes for a thicker flame. And I think it burns slower and more efficiently. But the flame, I think, yeah, I really like it's more stout. で、和ろうそくの特徴としては、芯が普通のその西洋のキャンドルとかの違ってちょっと芯の方が太いですね。で、太い芯イコール 炎ももうちょっとしっかりした炎になります。じゃあ電気を消してちょっとこれを軽く炎を見つめながらメディテーションしましょう。でついでに皆さん一つとてもいい瞑想法をちょっと紹介したいと思いますけれども、ヨガでよく使われているらしいんですけど、トラタクっていう炎、ろうそくの炎を本来だったら自分の頭はもしくはその目と同じ高さかそれより若干低い位置にそのろうそくを置いといて、瞬きをせずじーっとその炎を見つめることで、基本的に5分から10分ぐらいで、途中でちょっと目が辛くなってしまって、涙が溢れることはあるんですけれども、なるべくじーっと見つめていて瞬きをせず、炎のことと自分しか世の中に存在しないっていう意識で、瞑想するといいそうです。And some of you might know about this already, but there's an excellent meditation that we can perform. It's used in yoga using a candle. It's called the Tradak. And what we do in the Tradak is we ideally place the candle at eye level or just a little bit below. And for anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, without blinking as much as possible, we want to stare directly at the flame and imagine that only you and only the flame exists. And focus on that. It's an excellent way to train your eyesight and your concentration. 炎自体はとても、この部屋の中に風とかね、ないからあれなんですけど、すごいこうじーっとしてるっていうか、まっすぐに立ってる。この太い炎がとてもいい感じです。And the thickness of this flame, it's just standing straight up. Might be because there's no wind or draft in the room, but it's just...You can see it's pointing straight up in the air. これは無になりますね。This is very easy to become one with the candle, to clear your mind and enter a state of mu. And when we blow out the candle, we actually don't blow it out. We're going to use the method they recommend. So we have the tweezers.I'm going to use that to put out the candle. 消すときは、ふってせずに、先ほど言っていた、こういう特別な器具、今回は家にあった、毛抜き、ピンセットを使いますけど、こうやってシュッてやると。っていう感じです。確かにすすごも全然出てなくて。We're talking in the dark. Alright.Turn on the light. Turn the light back on. Now for the Palo Santo, this is a little harder to get to set on fire, so I think we're going to use a shortcut. でパロサントはちょっとね、普通のマッチだと全然火力が足りないから、ちょっともうちょっと強いものをthat smells wonderful. とってもいい香りですね。パロサントの独特な、なんか清められているような気がします。feel like I'm being purified. 聞いたよ。Beautiful Palo Santo smoke. Beautiful for purifying the air. この煙がすごい浄化、清める力が高いですね。すっきりした。ということで、僕の初めての和ろうそく経験したんですけど、で職人さんが作っているからそれなりの値段、なんですが、それ以上の価値があります。 Now this is my first time with using these Japanese和ろうそく, Japanese candles, and to admit they're a little bit pricey, but because they're handmade, but they absolutely are worth it. I think they're worth way more than what they cost and their price. It's just fantastic, and I can easily recommend these to each and every one of you.